Frost Bank Online Banking Login. So for this, open a browser and right here search for www.frostbank.com. Then tap on enter and wait for the web page to load. So right here, you have simply landed in the Frost Bank web page and this is how it looks. In order to log into your Frost Bank, you have to swipe up and right there is login option. Simply tap on this login bubble and make sure to wait for a while. So right here in this dialog boxes, you can see your username and your password. So you can simply go ahead and enter your username and the password of your online banking or your account. So if you have forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password and follow the instructions and create a new one or simply log in with the help of it and then tap on login. You can also go ahead and explore more of the Frost Bank at the bottom with these options as well. Now all you have to do is simply tap on this login icon at the bottom of your screen and just like that, you'll be able to log in to your Frost Bank online. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.